So you're gonna generate between 0 and 50 calls. Okay. This hour also, maybe you'll wait here. Then 5 a.m. maybe medium. So between 50 and 100 calls. And maybe this too. And then this one's gonna be high, between 100 and 200 calls. Let's say from here on to 5 p.m. And then here you start again with medium up to say here, and maybe you go down here. So you're gonna have maybe an array that gives you this. And let's see. Let me just remember how to use random. So you're gonna generate a number, a random number between these two numbers, okay, in JavaScript. So these are the number of calls you're gonna generate, but you're not gonna generate them every at exact intervals. You're gonna change the interval because I don't want them you receive. I don't want you to receive them exactly every minute or every 2 minutes or everything like that. So you're gonna start generating numbers. Maybe you just generate, let's say something like this. Well, you'll generate a certain amount of numbers. So I forgot that it generates a new number every time. So I forgot the. Are you that data here? Okay, here you go. So this is how it's going to look. The number of calls received. Okay, well, this is supposed to be this part here. Anyway, supposed to be this. I don't know. I forgot how to do it in Excel. So you understand? Depending on the hour, you're gonna generate several calls. So you're gonna randomly generate the number and randomly assign the generate the calls and execute receive the calls. You understand me?
Yes. Yes, professor.
Okay, so first I want you guys to do that. Just make a little a page where every several seconds you're gonna see a new number. new number is gonna start generating it. Okay. And then after that, we're gonna start sending it to the API. If you want, you can create a little table where you start showing the calls, at what time the call was generated and what number. Good.
Okay, Professor.
Okay, how long is that gonna take you?
I don't know.
10 minutes?
10 minutes.
Nah, I'm just kidding. Like an hour?
Yeah, maybe an hour and a half.
Okay, start doing it.
Okay.
Professor,
Yeah.
in the array, are we gonna have interval?
What do you mean interval?
How much is gonna take to receive another call?
Yeah, maybe I'm starting to think maybe instead of this, we'll have time. How many seconds between calls? So if it's it would be the other way around. For this, maybe you get a call every to get 60 an hour. You get a call maybe every 50 to 100 seconds. So this might be seconds between calls. Ah. And it's going to be the other way around. In this case, it's going to take a long time. And then at this point, it's going to be less. So let's say between 25 and 50. And this part here between 0 and 25 seconds. Or let's say, so it looks like minutes. Between 60 and 120 seconds. Between 30 and 60 seconds. And between 0 and 30 seconds.
Professor.
Yeah.
What do you want is the number of calls or
you're actually
numbers?
going to generate the calls.
Also the phone number?
Yes, you're going to randomly generate a 7-digit phone number. Well, 10-digit phone number because they have the area code. But if you want to put the area code 664 always, that's fine. If it were a national TV, a national service, national call center, the area code would be from different parts of the country. So you would have to get the area code from different places. But if you want, you can just generate 664 and let's say it's local. 664 right. And then a 7-digit number. Okay, randomly generated. So you're probably not going to duplicate it. So again, in this case,
thank you.
You're going to generate a number between you're going to generate a random number every between 60 and 120 seconds. So every time between 160 and 120 seconds, you're going to generate another number. Okay. So you're going to generate a number. Let's say what's going to happen. This is not calls. So what I would do is I would generate a number phone number, and then I would generate a number between 60 and 120 and set an interval for that with that number. So let's say I generate the number, this number. That's the randomly generated phone number, okay? Then I generate a number between 60 and 120. So let's say 87. So I set an interval for 87 seconds. So when that interval is done, 87 seconds, I generate another number and I send it. And I set the interval again between 60 and 100 minutes, 120 seconds. And I generate another number. Then I generate another number with another interval between these two, and I generate another phone number, and so on. When it gets to this point, it's going to generate a number between one phone number between 30 and 60 seconds. So it's going to go faster. Okay. At this point, it's going to start generating numbers between every 0 to 30 seconds. So it's going to go way faster. Understood?
Yes, professor.
Yes.
Okay, so try to do it.
Okay.
Once again, if you can't do it in an hour, we'll do it together. But I want you guys to try to do it.
You don't want it pretty right now, right?
First, I would suggest you start showing them in the console.
Okay.
Just one button, and then you start the button, and then you check the hour, generate the number, generate generate the phone number, generate the seconds, and then generate another number when that interval ends, and so on.
Okay.
With JavaScript?
Of course. What else? Yes, JavaScript. Okay, have fun.
Okie dokie.